I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your PlayStation Network account on a browser, not the console, because the web flows let you change security settings. Once signed in, make sure you can receive email or SMS from Sony. That access is required to prove identity. If you have an authenticator app, open it now to read the current code. If you saved backup codes earlier, have one ready. These items let you either accept the two-step prompt or use a backup to move forward. Once done signing in, go to Account Settings, then Security, and locate two-step verification. You'll be prompted to enter a code. Use the code from your authenticator app, the SMS sent to your registered number, or one of the backup codes you stored. When the code is accepted, you can change the registered phone, switch authenticators, or disable two-step temporarily. Make sure to add a new authenticator or update your phone before disabling. Otherwise, you'll lock yourself out again. Finish by generating and securely storing fresh backup codes. This prevents future lockouts. Next, test signing into your Ps4 so you confirm the new method works end-to-end. Enter the code on the console when prompted. If you cannot verify because you lost all codes and the phone, contact PlayStation support as your only recovery path. Be ready with proof of purchase, account email, and PSN ID. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep at least one backup code accessible offline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.